just on this lick. On this very first, so you play 1, 2, 3. That third note, that one's just the one note on the B string. Then you're in good shape. And so just working on being able to get legato between all these places, that's the trick. While I'm here and I'm making video, this is a cool lick because it's easier than it sounds. So you start with your first finger at the 3rd fret and you slide to the 5th fret. So you slide from the first finger to the 3rd to the 5th fret, and then you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 notes, and then we're going to do something else. So yes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you do a hammer on from the B string to from the 5th fret of the B string to the 8th fret of the B string, and then play the high E string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. And then 1, 2, 3. So then the next 3 notes are you slide on the B string from the 8th fret to the 10th fret, and then play the open E string. So we get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to do that same kind of move where we're going to slide from the 10th fret of the B string to the 13th fret and use the open E string again. And then we play 4 more notes after that where we put I put my 2nd finger down because I'm using my 1st finger, or my ring finger there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do it again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole lick. But it's not actually that hard because you're using that open string in those slides to get you along and through.